Well, hey there, folks. It's Dub here, and we're back with the August edition of the Cairn Box, even though it is September. I'm a little bit late in opening this one up, but here it is. So without further ado, not super heavy, no guess this month. We'll just dive into her and see what we got here. All right. Knife away for safety, as is always. All right, and logo inside, not logo, but the saying inside, if a tree falls in the woods, be there to hear it. And I may have made this point before. We had some property a bit away from where we are at this point in time, and there was a fire up there a few years back, and it caused some trees, obviously, to have some rot and some issues. And I was there when one of those giant trees came down, and it was, even though I knew what was going on, it was a horrific sounding thing, and really quite the experience. I was quite shook, honestly, and usually I'm not that bothered with things outdoors. All right, so we'll open her up. Here is the Cairn Scout. Usually kind of gives us a little bit of an idea of what the items are that are available and some details inside. As I usually say, if you want one of these, either subscribe or call me up or hit me up and you can have this one. All right, moving right along. First thing out of the box that I see is some Honey Stinger Organic Energy Gel, which that's pretty cool. If you're somebody who likes to pack light, a lot of times these things are fairly calorically dense while really not being too much of an item. So this is 1.1 ounces or 32 grams. It looks like obviously serving size is one full container. This is good until October of 2020. So, you know, a little over a year. It's not bad. If you bought some now, you could you know, have them a little bit later. Total fat. So no real fats. A little bit of sodium at 2%. I'll hold this up there if anybody wants to pause on the nutrition facts. A little bit of potassium, some carbohydrates. So 24 grams. 11 grams of sugar, so there is a bit of sugar in that. All right, moving on to the next item. What do we got here? I'm looking at BS, or was this a Blackstrap Daily Tube? Oh, okay, so if you look at the graphic here, it looks like it's one of these deals that you can pull over your neck or over your head, or just kind of use it's usually more like a headband or hair tie. So let's, how's this sealed? Oh, this bit here is really sticky. Oh, okay, that's what I couldn't figure out what the seam was, because I guess there isn't one so much. So we'll just tear this and see what we're working with here real quick. Oh, see, I got mine a little bit dirty there. That's all right, I'm sure we can clean it off. All right, and I'm looking at some kind of a mountainscape, it looks like here. All right, so some kind of a sleeve, and a couple of dudes look like they're walking around kind of like a little brook or a creek there, doing some hunting and whatnot. So, alright, I've never used one of these before, myself, but I can see it being useful. We'll see. That one is have to test that out. Is there anything on the packaging we need to know? Finished seams, lens safe, breathable, machine wash, 96% give or take UV protection, it says. Alright, interesting. So, it shows here you can use it as kind of a cool down. You can get it wet and put that on. You can use that to clean glasses, camera lens if you're an outdoor kind of YouTuber person or such. So, all right, interesting. Don't have one of those, so that's something new. So, Defunkify. We've seen this product quite a bit through various boxes. I've yet to need to use one of these yet, but I'm sure once I do, it's going to be really good. These are detergent packets, so we're not doing the Defunkify challenge and chewing on these. We're just washing clothes, people. So the perfect laundry detergent for active wear. So, you know, when you're out there, if you're forced to wear something all day long, or you had to sweat in it and you couldn't put it down, stuff like this, powerful cleaning agents are a good thing for you and anybody that might be doing some outdoor activities with you, you know, be a buddy. All right, so this is some 0.6 socks, quick dry tech. They're giving about a 9 to 11.5 size. I used to think that getting like clothing items from Cairn was kind of a weird deal, but I've just, at a certain point in time, I've gone to go with them and just say, all right, I'm going to try it out, you know. These aren't even anything you have to even necessarily try in the field. I mean, wear them to work. You know, you can just put those on the next time you need some socks. It is only one pair, which is a little bit odd, but I do like a low sock. So we'll try these out and see how they work. They are ultra light. Anything super important? I don't think so. I think we covered it. 42% wool, 53% nylon, 5% spandex. So it's a little bit stretchy there. So all right, so to recap, we got the socks in the box, the Defunkify, the kind of all-in-one neck shroud, cooling agent, scenery for when you're just bored and looking at it kind of thing, and some energy. So there's our food item, and it looks like all of this would be kind of a clothing-themed box. So any of you folks, this is Dub signing off. I will catch you on the next one. Let me know on the comments and like section and whatnot what you think about it. All right, thanks so much.